Hi everyone, so in this video we're going to be setting up Langchain Google Vertex AI package, and we're going to set it up with Gemini 1.5 Pro. And Gemini 1.5 Pro is no longer in preview, according to what I can actually see. So we're going to set it up. And the reason why I'm actually creating this video is because I recently made a video about using Gemini 1.5 Pro preview for a structured chat agent. I use Gemini 1.5 Pro as the base LLM because the tools also require the multimodal large language model. So it actually powered the tools and also powered the agent. So it's that simple. So I'm going to drop the link to the video in the description and you can actually check it out after this video. So let's just jump right into it. And for Langchain Google Vertex AI, we actually need to set something up. We need to set up a service account and we need a JSON credential. And if you look here, I actually set up a .env file which has this key, Google application credentials. It has to be this, and it's equal to the Google service account credentials. I already have mine here, but let me show you how to get yours. And we'll go over to our Google Cloud Console, and I set this up for YouTube. So this is temporary, and let's go over to enabled APIs. Now let's enable an API and let's search for Vertex API. And this is the one we're going for. And let's enable it. Now we are going to create credentials. Let's go over to credentials. And if you look here, we do not have a service account. So let's set up a service account. Let's just call it so that's what I'm going to call it. And we'll create and continue, and I'm going to add role currently used owner, continue. So let's done. So since we have this here, let's click on the email. And we are going to go over to keys. And now we're going to create a new JSON key. Make sure JSON is actually selected and we'll create. This will automatically download. As you can see, it downloaded the file and it will automatically activate this particular key. So that's what we need. And if we go back to our code base, as you can see, this is a file. So you do not need to actually name it like I did, but it's just a JSON file. That's the main thing. The main thing is actually the content of that particular JSON file, the credentials inside the JSON file. So that's what you actually need. And once you copy it to your project directory, and do not worry, I'm going to drop the link to the GitHub repo of this particular code base in the description. It's basically a basic code base. And now we're going to use ChatVertexAI, which we actually imported from Langchain Google Vertex AI package. And all we need now is the model name. And I'm going to set it to Gemini. Since it's no longer in preview, I'm going to set the temperature. Since this is just a chatbot, I'm going to set it to 0.4. Now I'm going to do this so I can keep chatting with it. As you can see. Okay, now let's get a response. Let's invoke. And let's print the content of the response. So now this is all we need, and make sure you have your virtual env active, and you've actually run pip install -r requirements.txt, which is here, or you just install, this is the main thing you need, and also the python.env package, because as you can see, we created a .env. And if you don't want to create a .env like I did here, you can just, but before you actually call this, you need to set it here. And then you set it equal to the path of your JSON, wherever the path is. Like, but since I'm not doing that, since I already have this here, which is automatically loading everything from my .env, I have nothing to worry about. And now we're going to try it out, and make sure your virtual environment is active. You can use Conda or virtual env. Now let's run the code. Now if you say hi, how are you? As you can see, I am an AI language model, so I don't have feelings like humans do. However, I am here and ready to assist you. How can I help you today? And it also has a smiley face. Now, let's try Flash. All you need to do is change the Pro to Flash, and let's call it. And we'll say, hello there. What's your name? I don't have a name. I'm a large language model trained by Google with a smiley face. Anyways, let's take this off. And so this is if you want to actually try out Gemini Pro, the 1.0, or you can actually try Pro Vision. So anyways, let's try the Pro. See. Hello TG, my name is Gemini. It's a pleasure to meet you. What would you like to talk about today? Really nice. So that's going to be it for this video, and I'm going to drop the link to my other video where I created a structured chat agent with Langchain together with Gemini 1.5 Pro. And in that video, we actually used Gemini 1.5 Pro multimodality, and we were able to get detailed description of images from our webcam and also from a screenshot. So thank you for watching. Make sure you do like, subscribe, and have a lovely day.